Hi, I'm Jeremy.
And I'm DJ.
Nah, just kidding. I'm DJ.
I'm Easy Robot Employee 1000.
This is Jeremy, our lead engineer, and he's here today to show you how to change your shoulder bracket on your JD Humanoid. And it looks like this guy is all put together, but watch this. Wah, wah.
Uh-oh.
So this JD, unfortunately, has a damaged shoulder bracket, and you can see in this view here that a piece of it is broken off. So Jared, what are we going to do today to change and fix up this guy?
All right, well, first we need our trusty tools.
Okay.
Got ourselves a nice flathead screwdriver and a number 1 Phillips screwdriver.
Okay.
I like this guy.
And of course, a replacement shoulder bracket.
Yes. Oh, can't forget that. Yes, we got a replacement shoulder bracket as well.
All right, so where do we begin?
So let's begin by actually moving JD's shoulder bracket into a 90-degree position. So it kind of already is there, but if it wasn't, we'd just use his arm and kind of move it. Or just use your hand and move it into that position.
I see. So if whatever side is broken off, let's say this side's broken off or this side, what we really care about is that it's square against the front of his body here.
For sure, and that's what I mean.
Okay, so we just want to move this with our fingers so it's lined up. Okay, now what?
All right, then we'll take our Phillips screwdriver.
Okay.
And we'll undo this bracket here. So we'll take the screw out, put that aside.
Oh, look at that, the screw fell right out. Perfect.
Don't want to forget that. Make sure you don't lose that guy.
Okay.
And then we'll take our flathead screwdriver and we're going to pry this off because it's not always that easy to take it off.
I see, just taking your time and gently wiggling it until it falls off. Okay.
Grab a couple corners, pop it off.
Oh, there you go. And we can take a look inside too. We can see here, that's the servo that's inside of his shoulder. It looks just like the servos that the rest of the robot's using.
Yeah, for sure.
Okay.
All right, now we're going to take our bracket, shoulder bracket, and we're just going to push it into place.
Now we're pushing it back into that 90-degree position that we had earlier, so it's lined up to this front of his body. So therefore, the calibration will maintain.
Yeah, exactly.
Right? Okay.
It'll be the same as he was before we replaced this bracket.
Okay.
All right, we're going to pop that screw back in there. I just put it on the end of my screwdriver and kind of line it up.
You make everything look so easy. This is great. In fact, I guess this is a really easy operation, isn't it?
It is.
And very rare, I might add. Very rarely do any of the plastic pieces of the Humanoid JD robot or any of the Revolution robots break. So this is something that very rarely people will have to do.
For sure.
So how tighten do we have to tighten it? Does it matter?
I just snugged it up. I made sure I didn't reef on it there.
So don't reef on it, otherwise I think it's going to pull into the body. Is that right? And then it's going to be hard to move because the plastic is rubbing against each other?
Yeah.
Okay. And then our shoulder, our arm that was there, I guess we want to make sure that the wires are behind the arm. And then if we look at this guy, we can see that it's supposed to be slide in this way. So we want to angle it this way.
Sure.
And slide it in.
Perfect.
And that's it. Well, it's easy.
There you go. You replaced the shoulder bracket.
One of the shortest robot program episodes ever. Nice work, Jer.
In this episode, we showed you how to replace the shoulder bracket of your Revolution JD robot. Adjust the bracket so that it's in a square 90-degree position and loosen the screw using a number 1 Phillips screwdriver. Gently pry the bracket off using a flathead screwdriver to reveal the inner shoulder servo. Push the replacement bracket into the 90-degree position, as this will allow you to maintain the servo calibration. Replace the screw and tighten until just snug. You don't want to tighten it too much. Slide JD's arm back into place with the wires facing towards the back of the body. Thanks for watching this episode, and we'll see you next time.
In what position should the servo bracket be placed before removal? True or false? Screws should be replaced very tightly. What direction should the wires be facing when the arm is replaced in the shoulder bracket?
Bye.